Now we will solve remaining word problems. Page number 82. Read question number 5. Read question number 5. Question number 5 is a box of chocolate. A box means a box of a chocolate has 19 slabs in it. How many slabs will be there in 6 such boxes? The data for one box is given. And for how many you have asked? For 6 boxes, the data to be find out. A box of chocolate. No, Amay. Okay. Solution. One box having slabs. One box having slabs or chocolate slabs. You can write chocolate slabs. One box having chocolate slabs is equal to, in one box, how many slabs are there? 19 slabs, right? Therefore, 6 boxes having chocolate slabs is equals to 19 into 6. Now in rough work, arrange both the number column wise. 19 and 6. Arrange both the numbers column wise and multiply them. 6 into 9. 9 6 are 9 6 are 54. So we will write 4 in the answer part and 5 is carry forward in the next column. Now multiply 6 with 1. 6 ones are 6 plus 5, 11. So 19 6 are 114. Now write the final answer. So there are 114 slabs in 6 boxes. Take a screenshot. This is the answer. Have you taken? Have you taken a screenshot? Now read question number 6. Now read question number 6. How many wheels are there on a dozen tricycle? How many wheels are there on a dozen tricycle? Now what the word a dozen means? When you go to market and purchase bananas, In 1 dozen, how many bananas you bring from the market? In 1 dozen, how many bananas you bring? Huh? Yes, very good, Arav. In 1 dozen, you bring 12 things. 1 dozen means 12 objects. 1 dozen, yes, Sachi is also correct. 1 dozen means 12 objects. Okay. So 1 dozen banana means how many bananas you will bring? You will bring 12 bananas. Okay. Here in question number 6, how many wheels are there on a dozen tricycles? 1 dozen means 12 tricycles. यहाँ पे tricycles की बात हो रही है. That's why I'm writing tricycles. Question number 6 on page number 82. We know 1 dozen is equals to 12 tricycles. ये तो क्वेश्चन लिखना है आपको बुक से, सॉल्यूशन थोड़ी लिखना है. All the students, be remember, you need to write the question from the book. I am marking dash because I don't have much space to write the question, but all the students need to write the question from your book. Okay, from their book. Solution: 1 dozen is equals to 12 tricycles. We know one tricycle has wheels. बताइए एक ट्राइसाइकिल में कितने व्हील होंगे? देखिए आपकी जो बाइसिकल होती है, बाइसिकल में कितने व्हील्स होते हैं? 2 व्हील्स होते हैं. ट्राइसाइकिल में कितने होंगे? यस, 3 व्हील होंगे. कितने व्हील होंगे? नंबर ऑफ व्हील्स कितने होंगे? 3 व्हील्स होंगे. रिद्धि एंड सची आर करेक्ट. वन ट्राइसाइकिल हैज 3 व्हील्स. आपको कितने ट्राइसाइकिल्स के लिए डेटा फाइंड करना है? फॉर 1 dozen. 1 dozen मीन्स 12 tricycle. So therefore 12 tricycle. Therefore 12 tricycles have wheels. नहीं, आप नोट डाउन करो. 12 into 3. Now multiply 12 with 3. In rough work, arrange both the numbers column wise and multiply them. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So when we multiply 12 with 3, our result is 36. So final answer will be there are 36 wheels on a dozen tricycle. You can take a screenshot. This is the solution. Equal to 5. Have you taken a screenshot? Can I clear board? I think सबने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया है अब. Now read question number 7. A spider has 8 legs. One spider has 8 legs. How many legs do 16 spiders have? Here the data for one spider is given. One spider, the data for one spider is given, and you need to find for 16 spiders. So again, always remember, when the data for one thing is given and you want to find out for more such things, in such cases we always apply multiplication. We always apply multiplication. ये जो आप स्क्रीनशॉट्स ले रहे हैं ना, ये स्क्रीनशॉट्स की हेल्प से आपको अपनी नोटबुक कंप्लीट करनी है. देखिए, जिनकी राइटिंग स्पीड फास्ट है वो तो अभी लिख सकते हैं मेरे साथ में, और जिनकी राइटिंग स्पीड स्लो है वो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. आई थिंक अब तो सबने लिख लिया होगा. Now we are going to solve question number 7. Question you need to write from your book. Solution. One spider has number of legs is equal to 8. One spider has 8 legs. Therefore 16 spiders have number of legs is equals to 16 into 8. Now arrange both the numbers column wise and multiply them. 8 6 are 48. So 8 in the result part and 4 will be carry forward. Now we will multiply this 8 with 1. 8 ones are 8 plus 4 is 12. So total is 128. Now final answer is 16 spiders have 128 legs. Take a screenshot or else write with me. Take a screenshot और एल्स जिन स्टूडेंट्स की राइटिंग स्पीड फास्ट है वो मेरे साथ लिख लें. जिनकी राइटिंग स्पीड फास्ट नहीं है, जो जल्दी जल्दी नहीं लिख सकते हैं, वो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें और जैसे ही क्लास ओवर हो जाएगी उसके बाद आप स्क्रीनशॉट से अपने नोटबुक में लिख लें. divide its multiplication. Okay, I think you have done. Okay, now I'm going to clear board. Read question number 8 now. Read question number 8. The 9 members of a club sold tickets of their play. Each member sold 17 tickets. Each means one. The word each means one. Means one member sold 17 tickets. How many tickets were sold? The data for one member is given and you need to find for 9 members. In such cases, we apply multiplication operation. Page number 82, question number 8. Question you have to write from your book. One member sold tickets. One member sold tickets is equal to 17. Therefore, 9 members sold tickets is equal to 17 multiplied by 9. Now arrange 17 and 9 column wise and multiply them. 9 sevens are 63. So we will write 3 in the answer part and 6 will be carry forward. Now 9 ones are 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 153. 17 nines are 153. Now we will write the final answer. So 153 tickets. So 153 tickets were sold. Solution is completed here. You can take a screenshot. Arushi, page number is written on the board. Page number 82. Quickly take a screenshot. जिन बच्चों का राइटिंग स्पीड फास्ट है वो मेरे साथ लिख लें और जिनकी स्पीड फास्ट नहीं है वो अभी स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें और क्लास ओवर हो जाने के बाद लिख लें अपनी नोटबुक में. Done? बुक में से देखो. Now read question number 9. How many sides make up figure A? How many sides are there in 18 figures like A? Look at the question number 9. A small figure is drawn beside the question. That figure is having how many sides? Count the number of sides. There are total 6 sides in the figure. A figure is given beside the question. Count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total 6 sides. So, one figure has sides. One figure has sides is equal to 6. Therefore, 18 figures have sides is equals to 18 multiplied by 6. Now multiply 18 with 6. When we multiply 18 with 6, our result is 108. So there will be 108 sides. So there will be there are 108 sides. Sides in 18 figures. That's it. Take a screenshot. We will solve exercise 4F tomorrow. Take a screenshot, all of you. And bye. That's it for today's class. Bye, all of you. Bye, everyone.